Apomu ye pa brapeni.
No, I want Kasem I'm saying Kasem too. Now, madam, what kind of what is the state now? Nuntima. And who going here say, oh, sorry, Jinam Rashabe, your fina. What the two are buying any or swafo. Now, but you, Kwame Agboji, swafo, see, I say, name me free. I just support them one.
My smart in the but mintimin verify ye.
And you verify now, you say, Minister now, or shall quantum ponsono. Ne mame nimpon. Or no, every upon the free angonamem, and Tibusam why.
I see.
Yo,
I see.
My
beno, no, I di home come up pay. But I said maybe a brain in
ato bro.
No cre, Mira. Then say,
I did a mouse original how they are 72 just.
Mira, my friend, ya, one who say, Aquino, at the Hona one year, Nassam a year shrunko, and now Oshas yes a woo ye. Now, when you know Janwa, and also some years shrunko. Ututu Aquano, especially who could drew a curriculum, now Ututu gatters and went me and ya. Yedim futuro kura to nchen ya se be ye ne ma me no mpanimfo ne wofa nom ebetimi akroso kura wura wo mu afie mu no edene ntine ukopie wo nwenom ne nkrunkure wo ho a kuro no mu aye basa efrise ye tutu kuro no akra no ho nyina wo se yetimi ewie drainage no na yetumi ye kwan no enso bebi a NPP aban ye duru ye no em se ehwa na aka a ede ahokyere diabre wo manfo pa ne titiriw ene adwoso fa woda ho onwe asini mpon kwaso kwan no ena adu ani nso kɔkyerɛ efri fumesa fa kokobra okiri krum kɔ echem atease eno nso so kwan no ena nkro bi te sɛ akokɔ amo ene asaman kora de wo de yenye wo kwan da efri sɛ Ghana ebedua asase yi so nti wo de mfuturo ne de wo matena mu afri tetetere de aba bepem sabiri ya eye mani eti miwa we ni betua ase nche ye kura na driver for a wo munam adwoso kwan no so no mo ye kire e de kire aban se na dama ka kwan ni bibia ye duru no nka aban nso abe ko meto aso na nka mo ho nto wo mo kakra o mo de petition e de breme ene the honorable MC o wodwoso ayi nyina ye gitu mu na ye kam ye tipam ho se ni aban bi din komo na semra se bedwani no ekwan ba ko a betumi afa so ama aban ehunu ye koso wodwoso constituency ne se meye de emra se bedwani fe ni statement na me de betudwa about eniema a ekoso ewo me constituency eno na nra e ma me gina me na so a me de to emra se bedwani any road minister ni ministry na nim no man nyina nim se aban ni ntwanani emra mehwe adwoso akwan bi no mu a ene so oba bi fa furu na wonam adwoso onwe kwan so a ehu papa ehu wo munko na wo mu apake na passengers ya bo apeso eni ade eyesa meda mintumi na ha be papa etimi wura na otiyi ana ase no
ampacha ubopini minister no sisi ahwan na ye de contract na ma no onwe kwaso de no wo Kofi Job ho na emise ansa na MPP be fira ba mu no adwuma no stole kakra na mebopi aye na agya ni nyina akwa yesi kasem aban so ba ye agya ye pass aban ko humasika ma no afi na aban echichemu a as we speak there emise contractor bi ani wa nensa heda kan sika e wa kwan ho nti apart from me de no say MPs bebre ya boy pia ban ne senka eno no contem once ya pass budget e wie dada ya appropriation ne de ka sika bi e wo se contractors wo muntumi enhyase wo Ghana fa baby bibria etwosonso eka ho nti ne titiri ni yesikasem a ye hwese aban be chichemu na
contractors ya omusika akoka mu nti amu omaje adwuma no omu nyina betumi asako nti Mira Kofi Job na ewo adwoso onwe edie no so.
Okay. Ewa kwa abatin wa kan de mesre wa bopin agboja bopin no pa why
Mati Mira
ai gosi en hwehwe mu chese wo fi constituency to there ka jense wa anya hwe crowd there onfa o me bibi nhye ne maame animu
sa pepe ai sa pepe
you be nyum so far so good o se the hotel from them no sa pepe. All right gentlemen maame Yaw, let's look at the issues I am also pay. I'm pretty sure Mama say will fulfill some of the promises or shall say it's social educational. Yeah, tertiary. Almost school fees crowd here. At the Omade ama home. Kwalani be brajedi. Grebu was sikana ko tomu. A dakaso. Omami Yaw we say. Omanhene Yaw metia I won ma mo call last year January no muntie me sika mutua ayi academic user fee ni nyina Omanhene Yaw ma refund am ma no it will ban be fee abusa no say fees na utua ma no e wa ijewade na sa ne omo ade
na parent
alawan de ni acha ya ka school fees house alawa de jaja
mankwala
fine awofo no obi akwara na akwaji abom akwara no de oso ohuru nyansa se ma monye 1000 enfantom ho akwaji fo akwara bi wo de command boy
ne no kre
obi so de kotofun monwini fie ho sikana aba no abeche monwini fie ho ba school fees in the Omanhene Yaw ma metua it's the first years now mo call September no almost there no was wa fulfill any other promises na government accountability series na my security experts member won chen kakra for utie honorable the former deputy minister honorable Amankwa o say defense minister no o share ayi Kofo Kwame Adokofo no share Commander Smith
yes
now share Nitiwa I say we were be talkative I said who be bia wo ho no ma no abeye press conference na o steady omo ma be di defense ministry no adwuma majority dia no abeka
David
see our ammunitions ayira can you imagine the apprehension of fear?
yeah
2 or say 32 million be hidden debt oma boka no de sie no oma twa nwura gusu also ohunu ba bia the wakache minister say oma no better and further particulars the first ministry nyame anim ni ye ni fiye ye nti press conference ni ade because adanu say okay military commander no Omanhene aye appointments ni ade
the army general some retire
enchemu e ba ye no ekofa koye diary me discussing radio so ana ye hu bi da is it a new era because the UK and US their military they discuss so if you are learning from them what is wrong yeah I mean too
media contact but one particular idea defense minister will come akote de ne bia ye politics wo ye manyi mu a ebra so se sa ne ma no ye magana fo hu no se ye ntimi nya ho hwe sa netie o se situation no etena ho no ne ye gya se ye de ye politics o kasafa Ghana ye presidential jet ho se presidential jet na awe na achia to the extent say etu kwan free Ghana kodu France no France aban ene France airspace for no fee say ade na esi wono no
is a dead coffin
omo makwa mani ntumfiri omo krom ho no mo na akọ ba bia bio because etufiri omo airport ana say
e bet man accident it can crash
yes they'll be held responsible
so oma alloc ye presidential jet in France
o si aka ho ya grane ne ewo
it's been grounded
yes because Ade na renat akuteka corrosion say.
Corrosion has been corroded. Aye.
Arenachi.
Ena ti wa na tena mu koy.
Nipa o etimi gra go do France
flying coffin. Nana do an can deal we.
Yes.
Say not fit for purpose. Nti omo be ento from. Ena politics nti. Yes say. Of a private jet, na okuje travel akwa the list of the private jet. You see, Sadia na cost no. Ghana for in the name of politics, we expose our president. Sena Al Qaeda no be up so cool man and Kobetiwe kunu simple. Because private jets in them club no be able to just say a Drew. Cayman Island, Drew Guyana, President Ebelande on this date. How can we live such stupidly like that?
Yes, because of politics.
Say Ghana man penny to kind. Now the itinerary at Dabonte.
Yes.
Hey,
maybe I have
because yeah politics.
Maybe I have
Vice President. Now in the private jet now. Or the question why ya dear no ya the details ni bibia be go ada ebetuo baby ebesie. What is this? Can't we be a little security conscious
of equalization? NDCDB MPP and MPP EDB ye but akonta ye ka bibi wa kanka se me se de oye mampani omani nyina pani o.
Yes,
akonta ye te kroma say na ye ni Ghana ye hu bi da. Late Professor Mills nan run any birthday is not tiase ankobenya 81 years. May you so rest in perfect peace. Akonta papa ne tiase as mampani na Ghana ni hu bi da o. Ewom se na nipa bebre mpenasem ne nieba bi ni ade na edu ba bi a ne kasakra na dudu odo pa na ne kasakra ne edi bi twetwe no. Madam economy de why ne sa ne de twetwe no bada na de
not coming.
Bada papa no ewu ye no Omanhene nyina came to a standstill. Papa no na odi eso no a ne ye twetwe no no.
We cried.
Ghana fo nyina ejom fo man ne ade
nipa no drew mine no. You remember all of a sudden the weather changed.
The
weather and everything changed.
Ghana ekire say on pedibi on mine penny
etutu yesunsu maboto
enye bibia na wose ye dey politics na dey politics na ba bedro say chenchire mampani tu kwan ena ye ho kire yen ena ade na wose okofa private jet ena ade na wose okotena plane we mu ena ade na ye ho kire yen Ghana ye ho nto ye da ye ho ye ntimi nya ye ho ene hia nyina nkonkosi da enti nyama ne bi wono ma ye nti ase se ye obi wono ma ye so ye pani enti pani no ye won nyama ne akade bi wo hono ma wose ye de ma no na no mi hu se lady bi aye video na eye President Mahama minim region kroko mu ne convoy minim region president Mose
about 30 cars
na ne convoy ni twam show sana girl no yes anti yesika na mode kosa na de akota. He is the president of the Republic of Ghana. Mampeni na nado danko Akufo-Addo penso okuje to black one Sam George be ka kire say Akufo-Addo president former president Akufo-Addo kwa na yeso akonya edi sikam lankrusa baako ye de akonya asim edi ekọ baby a president eni amanfo ekwa kosia no akonta. It is the security of the president.
Unim yaw in this country. We know the cost of everything but the value. Ghana.
We
know the cost of everything but the value.
Yes.
Enti amanyo 70 no eniema bebre ada wose kwoma no yensaka. Because of the cost. We did not evaluate the value. And in sorry tia na utimi ye na say unya no utimi ko position afa ba na party o kaseti na twetwere ne bo entimi ba o ananu amami etu kwan
yes
a wo kwa amanoni ana wo so wo bai
Vice President Professor General
se eba ya na Ghana fo nya siti okuje to abra kwa na timi etna ho ma ye fa private jet ma me ne ba ye
Foreign Affairs Minister
you na Foreign Affairs Minister sa arrangement nyo na
Wona ye.
it oye no na Mame Jane na Jane no Osombo chan Kufuado.
Yes.
You see the narrative.
Yes. Jane,
but
that
but then what be here
more because presidential
Omanhene John Mama ekwa pro according that no the Ibrahim.
Yes,
Jata.
Yes.
Now, say private jet is it fit for purpose for a president?
Yes.
No.
Say Omanhene Yaw ye dear as Omanhene na kota credit yen check from Ghana to UK. Next year say president ekofa commercial flight. Okofa commercial flight. Yen check ne bo. Ne yen check say bia 4 years na oba bedino. Akwantu obetutu nyina se yeka se
yen to private jet is you are
dropping amana man de akwa abasa
aeroplane dropping
ene se ye de beto private jet ana se ye de beto presidential jet ya ye be nsu no be mfie aduonu ana se mfie du a e besi wo no mama oman no de hina ana kontaman ni onya president nku na yiso even speaker of parliament ye mpanifo bebre wo manimu a sakoba se wo hia se presidential jet ne de omko ba bia eye se adwuma no I also minor and a bomb honka. But the BBI politics or mayimu.
It is the image of a nation.
Yes.
Shase wahana mona ye wahana presidency from Anamemuba. Mzwati.
Yes.
Obey.
Yes.
Yemshe Kenya.
Yes.
Yemshe Rwanda.
Yes.
Yemshe certain dignitaries Omoba. Na yeso Omanhene Yaw mama na playing ahodwa.
Yeah.
Na countries.
Mo
ya boho
ya chro ho fe yeso ani in
Republic of Rwanda.
Yes.
One of the Ghana.
Soja ni ya wo nanu ye omudi AI
Ibrahim
so no so de oman no
Burkina Faso Ibrahim Traore
baby ya ba bedro asoman no edu baby a yanyintum se politics no ye be ya but reality no be done on us
a Republic of Ghana presidential jet aka France
and ya woman now kasanya minister no say o say one there na ye
o say arena ache it is
arena just bringing it to our because o mane bo amane ka ho
yes o nyina ka ho no
mo kasa ya ti sesi ano
play mu no odware
Ojari guyeso
se nsu otokura no a usuro
asasa ni tu na wonu na sem kan no ka
ayi na kai chama jana se dugetia o se si akra no ayi nsuo
na bisu kra so kan
bi on dey o se dugetia o se si a nsuo to wo so a wonim se agufo adojon sofra
Brakota, it is the safety of our president too. Sasem to man penino a aka o man ni na no you say Donald Trump to kwan. Donald Trump was it your friends a man Kamala Harris ne ba Ghana no
Kamala
akota so kwan a America for take over your airport Kutuka International
airport the streets
over Ghana streets
certain streets were taken over
omobaya the submarines nyina be de da
Ghana nanka they are some now
because of nipa ba ko pe o
vice president not who Air Force One
mo Barack Obama ne last president oba
na last
all ko Cape Coast no
Barack buy I'm saying the D can buy Bush
yes
okoye na Clinton buy and a Bush buy and a Barack buy
and a Barack buy
akoye di omba ono
the Africa for no ko no yare nto man vice president ne buy friends
Biden
Joe Biden
only say kono abeba bana ne ho Kamala Harris
we nyina security issue America ma pay you why was una so onyare
so sana na ho bi anim so yare are kan election bi
yes yes America ni UK no ma
no but Ghana security is more so Ananu say I saw something
Mampani to kwan na the car
I saw something
protecting na day
Omanhene John Dramani Mahama ne ka oba betrem na party ni bi onchene homa omonkwa oso onchene ho eti the age no
yes
the AD camp no police ni no.
Yes.
No share African attack, but he's a military person.
Yes.
Had to push him and say no lock it down. No, be mo kasa ai etitil. Somebody could write there say into oba here I heard your moye. Can you imagine?
Sure.
We have breach protocols.
Oh.
Now president kono obi di mirika dika nechi. Oh ya gas one twenty one. You say
and politicians ye and a man penny no way and they also the oye man penny
maybe the Africa nyame aboy
it's a man you maybe one of my
because the porousness of our security no okay kum your president
and they omani bo amasama wo kan nyina kokosi say yeah a new ebia
but I don't know to mean
can anything
because the same way who catch them me say me can say ya e dey say no catch them
so ba ka man pani Joma makra bai who Land Cruiser na odem no bulletproof car who say beginning na start be dey I na oba sisi na oda bulletproof car
and corner dey
na ye dey
ayi
ne say president
special prosecutor class one per bulletproof for them special prosecutor who him the beast
the beast
America the beast
yes.
Rocket propelled grenade a do crying to me pejaka no mutu no
or ba ku bi or the nante America omo nante omo car na nante no enye I say Land Cruiser sa for my eno no kra no oman
enye Cadillac no akese to aso sa no Cadillac no
I no kra enye easy
oh yes se wako Netanyahu kro 80% of their budget is defense
yes it's for defense and security
yeah. Omanhene John Dramani Mahama out of a free destiny I open up
yes
do maybe na the security for crap so mo Emma protocol ya juma na party for ni ade so mo kire mo da ko etuo bi beto owiem
yes
na tu wi a we will learn sense
yes you who watermills situation yemfa ntoto omani nyina ta din
Asante Mami, yeah, I think we've exhausted this. Let's look at other issues.
Kakra me kan fa we hu ni say yen eti o men no ma yi. Yen de yetinyamete. Etinyamete. But on say obi beso obi di man panyina, ono no say be ni papa ne mama wo no no. Nenye say wo no so obi di man panyini. And on man panyini is an office which means dem api o hwa say obi ko pa adwuma aye no. Obekọ no yes e ma ne kai be ma ne we ni nyina no. E ade a it befits the office. No. Anything is politics. And I am said we hienti be at sika no. And no na kofa we nyina aba. Ade bi okwa na ye say sebe ye senka we hienti ti ase so onti ase je say o kan misika ira o kem ko be 50 pesos.
Bro for ni nyina akotwa o say in this life the vanquished is always winning. The vanquished is always waiting.
And only a problem, but on my me the amanyofo na go for monsamaba. Say na nkemle because I play na ekoto ba ku ya moken. Ye to one plane so. Ye to plane papa and the plane papa mu say timi di be say 30 years ago na say you. And ye to presidential flight say be a 25 million.
Antomo no.
Ya obekọ no nipa okoto ade no. Oto ni bere bia na abekọ kra de gu so kro no. Ona se nipa sa age adi wo so no. Wo tincha na ya. Enka wei soja for nka ombeye bisane internationals we nyina wo ombeye recommendation man panye hia flight what you say e beka budget ho say omanyem omu hia nje beto aka ho
ne ye play so omo say
president Kufuor konokra no
na wo fa
o suggest ye ra mills buy no ne play ne koto ya so man panye ma koto play na wo di bia ye di bia to so ebra enwa
se yakoto plane no betim 35 and especially say
and ne hanga yes o mo de ya di bia to no so ne hwan ko fa nsem be
sa ne ma we nyina ente o ma nya yakoto lupra ho nsem ko yakoto ka ho nsem ko
every
na
day
na gwa ya ni say alupra ni de ya bo ma say o free so a yentimi ente bo no so ma ho so you can de omo anya sa no eno ti na ko fa nsem ya ba no because car no you so or kwa o ni ate so ma no
the presidential jet through o you so ale ya te so ba no dia ya go tough from
no come to bebrebe na we no go to ahun 70 no na aye
Sompa no aka no
so what you say
that your presidential jet be me ensa we are president after 4 years you be dispose of man Obeto papa because omo shemrani
what you say anu ti na say hia obia no because omanpanyi de yen nyina ye panyi a say panyi oman me de anopai no de omanpanyi ma ye fa mama care any health insurance no de hwe enura komamenka akando ekogina minta akando kogina saa accountability series wakaso mo to 602 million Ghana
602 ama national insurance no yeah reimbursement and facilities no
we say I won say anopamu miemu say ho say aboma 602 million Ghana cedi etu ama health insurance dwuma de be pa no mi de ma Ghana fo no
amafo
santo say okwa ye ma hospital ye ma hwe
eti claims no mo ya no
pa no da bi o me ko chambusa no oman say obekọ hospital o card nkwa ne de be ma any other thing you buy from the hospital first ka chuchu de say oman ye to agege ye ne ma say na 2 million Ghana cedis e na omo
so now why do you blame them? The issue they are verified.
Why?
There is an outfit at National Insurance that verifies the claims. Ebi mo kro mu twetwem. It is a abino tia. It means the technocrats there have approved of it. Say yentua ma omo.
Oman tie.
To find say Yahweh. Me say abain me hospital. Oman specialist hospital.
Yes.
Oba no. Me the claims ama National Insurance Authorities claims department. Omo tie niema nyina awie. Omo de akoma aban. Omo say Oman specialist hospital. I will say man 1 million Ghana cedis. Now aban tie ama me, do you blame me? Some about chrono cry. The onus is on your worker, your staff.
Yeah, to
check and tell me say you don't deserve it.
No, I mean, blame me health insurance in Penifo, na Minister of Health, na so na make no. On my say, Ghana ni baby akwa hospital. Apart from the card, any other thing bia otua. And the agent na or say yes, sign a trust to ma claims no. A hospital akwa die. E wo betua. Bibia ye ko bia ye tua and so still. Musumi nsia afibia no. Abanye budget de ma wo mo.
As I say nya ni nyina na tua.
E de na yintua.
Oh, you will no be ho no ma.
E no be ya.
Asante, are you telling me? So, by what you are saying, Asante, Asante, by what you're saying, and you're not health insurance.
Now, Minam Becca, the Opa, your full land to me said, the only time you card, any other thing you pay.
Asante, I
amount for more can make a mass.
Not just health insurance, no, yeah, you to
the minister, I want it. It has been on record. Say,
the Kaiser, the former minister, the of freedom man. Well, quite my man to be kind. Sasa no my good super say, who minister be catch a health insurance, no. Card near the end, it's me, dear. Or so for so on say out to her. Yeah, the good so at that time. Because on number 2 movie. But Asante, you think I health insurance a good crowd. Because by your statement, the letters eventually it's non existent, it's only a skeleton.
Penny say, ya sika ye tua edema on say amount for your market ya TB. Ye were a name bi wo ha ye to a ye tie health insurance and sign our card and
national insurance levy no name.
VAT no
VAT bi was so
so many. Say security we nyina achi no. Ukwa health delivery as a health provision send a siko. I say on say and for obi ho because I say we tua extra. Hwe mama ke odi buy fine idea ba me o ma me ka me kwa o say kan nyina bom.
Eni say medical trust fund bia.
O say kan bom na ye mamu ye because enema amampanyi ma healthcare ni be provide for enema ye omo ka say wokọ mainstream hospital a yenti provide ma enti se nyame da roma se de nya be ka ho a awo se impose claims ne so a sky yagije ne so amoma mfa kwa bi so mfa bi nka ho na me de madwene se awo se wokọ hospital a oman wonya de card to hwa yare bia awo se yasaw na den se obekwa yesi yare we yensa na unim se psychiatry hospital okwa utua 100% once the kwani wa yajew events yade chew utua ni nyina full course recovery
obusua ni ska abodam
na 17 gente na ya akopa ni pe bebrebe yare kito bi kwa na muntimi mfa nko hospital no de nam sebe asofo bi su ni pe bia nam che because obekwa hospital maka to say about 2005 okay first can we hefa enti me point ni say I so man panyi mam a good idea because my yeti on my yeti Ghana ha obi abako hospital ba 90% emergency case no dey call hospital ho
yeah
nipa ni senti pa na onko this is what chahe
atam nako and so through diagnosis here who say
yeah no trying to be 50 years and that is a problem and mama ni campaign wa ka che Ghana for say dey abako be boy
primary health care
say obema nurses bi akọ nkrase osam ne ye wo Ghana card o man ka obi akọ okra bi ase okọ community bi ana e wo say ye je Ghana card na ye timi de ye very say hospital card me de man be bia o data be ba me yehu because Ghana for so bon mo hospital on say o check up obakọ the emergency
now him say
enti no
the funny thing is asante obi ka so o medical check up as who dey why you and to say yes. When was the last time I called dentist? Yeah, what was the last time? I don't know who jam me.
Nakaka no kra konta ma me bi wa yi kro from. So for about this kaka wa ya dey rough.
Bajo your microphone.
Kaka.
What's the mama anyway?
Me say mama bi wa yi kro from so for about this akweta kaka wa ya dey rough.
O the children
ni ka u be jire wo say no dey asawa to su bo say ne kro na wo say
we mami we on say omo fan say
omo
fan say nya medically problem but listen the woman is
if anybody tells you so ko who dentist and no one near another weekend I'm saying no it's been a while me visiting me dentist na me friend new Sean for how na me come tell me come me call here na omo wash me sema me
we wash we say I don't you kill
asuma ebe buza no what you choosing
see
now what you choosing so
you do on ma asante say ko wash we see we ma we and I was the ingredients we see
and na me
you see how things are and I say no e won niam bebre timi di yare kura ma wo
yes
eno ye huru na
you see all say make us say oh typical Ghanaian a typical Ghanaian who take as a grofon me ka dey say abedi how say
ehura ye hia no nya say ho asem na make
you see
tipo ye ne ye fo ya na say
abam go
fi wa dia we na na wo say me ko pede wa dentist
wow yaw
akweta eso de time nipa ko hospital pa ye e bia kasa bia koka
na
kaka de bia uye
anajo da na no osoya no pa no okotu
emergency na ma no na na ye de ne tie
akweta ye
share the issue of
akweta mama ke yi 1 minute
mama ke na fe yan share you tag for finally na me wrap up
ya asante ke na me ke bia to so say akonta in order say yenko kill health insurance ne kura no at least ade na si ho kwan say mahama care ni ade no ye beka any health insurance ni nyina bom na bia ade no ye biem say bia kane na bia dialysis ne wan no health insurance nkofa efri na ekwe essence ye de mahama care no abese health insurance mu no de ekufo de introduce mre bia omo de free aban mu say dialysis for omo ebetie bio say de nenye free no de bia de ababesem e pasa ya resource health insurance we ye wo companies bebrebe a bia womo eye won say your companies bi won mo ankasa your private health insurance any sa na ema no aban betimi going forward say pese a resource your health insurance ni ye ema yade bi etimi ketafo asante se bi Sompa say bia ya bo ama yare a woko hospital
okay bi kwa ona o man go makra
bia me ne me man hwan adenti na bia aban ne nyan hihie bi say Sompa for mo private health insurance na mo wona bia mutua 1 cedi bia de to account mu ame ye de hwe mo staff no muntua mfa maye staff no yare a onko any hospital bia what I say mo musika no what I say di beka ho na ahwe ye ko yanim no ye benya companies akese akonta omo private health insurance omo de hwe omo workers
yeah there are a lot of them now
akonta say sika no ye expanding health insurance no e bia henceforth yare bia we yare bia no
e be cover
private institutions ne government institutions omo ankasa omo private health insurance policies ni ade no say sika no mo donate ni nyina nto health insurance covers mo nipa ne ye Ghana ni so nye Ghana ni kra no te Ghana ha se ya why health insurance
so cover no
oko hospital e be cover na kwante say me ko hospital no me cover inte basa company no e won help ne private health insurance ase ye gie no di ese no man dey basa ye de mama care ni nyina na health insurance ni bomu a na ya open up say private institutions ni other companies so and donate into the fund na ebeketa for staff any Ghana ni bia no obi bia ote Ghana bia no ne health any health related issues when Kenya bone enkebe boa ye dan say yesi ye kwakoyi health insurance no a ye nyinnie no health insurance na te wode dey ye nyinni dida yesi koyi musika ni bi e de akwakoto mahama kem
20% of the 10.7 billion no ebema national health insurance no a weekend.
Oh yes.
Because even though the non-communicable disease, diabetes ne pressure and sane man. And will replay the effect.
Yes.
Obi or diabetes.
Yes.
Otuminya stroke.
Yes.
Otuminya erectile dysfunction.
Oh yes.
Otuminya pressure to me emano yade awudo nyina. Enti why erectile dysfunction. Ebe wiase no. Yeah. Saya the one say try to say run national health insurance anymore.
It's true.
So why don't you send your Santika send your can say medical you know fund no. It said I say you pesika bi atum.
Yes.
But me touch health insurance sika.
Don't touch. Mama Kenny na yen for make health insurance.
Who dey for the say be your mama your mama initiative bi a person dey boa. Your presidential initiative. Look for money.
Oman wunim ade ba.
Look for money.
Wunim ara wo se bi ko. Wona ma no pa.
Another fund bi.
Ya mo ebi ya na ebi wo so fola akopɔ no so ayi no so overhead no so friend say wo mo ofri patasi end ho ne ba. Bon se ne de bo akra bi abetena ho.
Yes.
Na yesi akra no e da ba kofa no che na afa edu didi fa na han na oda tio
asofo de gina kwa
na wo di sika me ade enu ntina me se e ha me kra
no
obi o health insurance tio o my
college ani mo
you are sawaba
so obi gina ho
sawaba traffic
light bi gina ho ebi so gina so fola ho na wonim me bi say mo say wo de shena koto hospital ho no na bia on a cost of provision wonya no na saa branch na no betena se aka say okay ene ma me fa no ko jan bontene enko sresre e bia na otwe bosu mienu die benya no percentage on so baje kakra
what
na wode waba enti wo sresre nyina no je
e za wa hwe ya be 6 months
enti o maye na me point ni obi a otwa health insurance now so yentimi mfa health insurance na nhwe no na health insurance be no tia.
All right, let's look at UTAG. Yaw. Almost say omo catch your man penny say animu ya you should end galamsey.
Akwenta UTAG for no hu. Akwenta duru ba bia yenge me emra that time ana Professor Jampo UTAG president to Legon and they almost started a campaign we are about galamsey
calling us state of emergency
shoot and kill yenkum boys no ene hwan eye galamsey ne say yensuo galamsey ne say yensase going forward e and the next 10-20 years inchiri ma eba insuo kra wa hwe omunya binom mara konta UTAG for no it is deemed to omo ya krache for omo ya krachefo and
enim defo
omo sua de akọ omo nim ketu akura kuta mfil ana meboa ketu akura wo utag ko nim ekuta mfil to omo ya professors doctorate wan Dr. Usu Ansanom ni nuanom omo KNUS akotawe omo ye nipa bi a before so mbe bia bonte aba be kasa no omo ade bi say they do research
yes
meboa
omo ye hwehwemu
na hwehwemu no omo ye wi a asante omo say you do recommendations meboa ne ya critique sa omo brofo na ya no omo keka no
omo doso
mo
hwehwemu wi
say ya
ene beboa
mo akota you tag for you omo ka say omo ye research bi ana because akontare Galam say asemi aye ken from ampani kofo penso na enye gidigidi sa but na Galam Rollins penso na ampani kofo beto so na atamel se beto so na dwo mama beto so na akufo ado aba beto so na dwo mama asaso aba beto so bio akota ya dwene ne kwan fa so di ku Galam say aye say ye di soldier for the police for ko munkoku wo munko she excavator wo munko tutuo wo munko ye say akota ye no for more than 20 years yo yeah, for more than from 2000 say 2000 kra for more than 25 years ni tie ni etimi eti yangusu anfa soldier fonko yangusu a tutu omo womo yangusu a enfa police fonko akota denti na utag for no omo ntena se ya ye research akonta ya the modality se ba say ya research na ya ye no ya research work na kire yen say president when situation the woman if you say your research na ya no ye first akwan we so ya recommendations we the amount akonta say so we are in the next 3 months ye bon say nso na ye say the next 6 months o bon say nso na nite afi ye bon say nso na ba ne normal ade e bia mfie no ye bon say enwura bi ne recommendation be my no say stop Galam say oh stop no he mo ya krache for etikamu ba bonti aba be ka say mu PhD ene mo professor ne ho a wan na ekuta mo no
ede mo na mo de boa ma ye jai enye
kasa kekese yes you tag for say ye president stop Galam say yetimi stop yankete ho 25 years ni ya de soldier for akwanye yi etira na me twetwe omo amre omo ye so
diane kobro
ekojira so akota ye di AK47 za akojira obi so omo he akoti say omo ye adwuma wa atade akota adia soldier for di 2 AK47 D3 ode mfian ele gogo I we say that man when go to
Ade ba kwa isi ama Galam say no so ehun asem any small scale no aye you say now you have an outfit that is buying gold
ayeka
gold board no Yahweh on top gold free last scale miners
new montane Anglo Gold Ashanti
on top gold free small scale mining small scale miners no so only to Galam say alone is about 40%. And for gold board to also survive and was a mrantie no so cotton gold ni mano if you stop Galam say ye year free or cry small scale miners no omuntumi emma sami dem feed the amount of gold that onyan is here. Yahweh, I will tell you this. About almost 60% to about 70% of gold board no tono. Mumusa say mudi no bisa say gold way illegal na say illegal timento. And the same will be able to offer it. Do you question the person say Sikano the two mono source of funding and a source of funds on your way? You don't. Now gold board is buying gold.
Yes.
And one companies be to me to gold. About 6 companies I'm told. Yeah, say omo jetri. And omo to gold no. Me ya Galam say we are. Yes, mami ton gold ma obia. Ya mami wisa o. Da bay na branch no free mu buy no call Asante license gold buyer. Ho obisa no say we gold no. Unya no we na wan kira me nto. awu na me nua no enti now no kra wo mu so no say Galam because Gold Board is making inroads, making a lot of money for Abino. Abino ni TV out. Then they will crack it down, Galamsey. Opa me over 6 months. They hear how much money Gold Board post.
But I contact ye koye ni musoso no. Si ye de ni koto sika senior president Mahama me ye hun say oba 6 months for so nya 5.something billion.
Yes.
Every Gold Board amani says. Akota si ye de
sika de yawe. Ya me twawa no. Sika no. Sa gold ye nya no e. Eh new month.
Debi.
Eh oboase.
Debi.
Eh small scale miners no.
Debi.
Eh kitchen no. Galam say for ya. Enti anu na ama abeye ding. Ama buy sesia
ye benya wiase sika nyina nya sika ni nyina wan hwe ya
awo monya wi a betutu amna
ye betu abura
ai betu abura
bi susu hwe akuta de hwe
ya me say Galam say fight we Galam say fight we with the advent of Gold Board me say for some time now e be thing
akuta insu a Galam say
anybody can go to anywhere
normal circumstance ko sen ke insu no we but in share here ni see still ano and that's so da hono mo a
what they should try what they should try Kofi Amabua should try immediately now on Keteli forest there na almost recover about 7 out of the 9 encroached 37 recover say 9 no
37 recover say 9 oh akunto muntumu na
all the bitches
I check it see how recover
well
say no na
almost must stop it Galam say no say it will take time
recovering something
reclamation issue
what could Jeffrey Galam say for instance
almost so much me I recapture
say also what they wako pam ne china onko onko no po on be adwuma najo
and that's what they are doing now
that's what they do
ya was say no me say Gold Board ono oto ni gold way nya Ghana
yes
omo ko ton gold na ma ni nyina no ho amoa
small scale miners in Galam say for ya ne ton ede man no
eti all town to the one say all to
ya deni dollar ne
Galam say for ya ne to ma no
ye sika bebre ye nsuo nyina be say yo
ye be ye de nu sa ya o e bedroom rebi no the survivor of the fittest.
Politics as usual.
Next it is Professor Mamudu Akudugu. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
And you now pumped to say, Prof. Now what to say?
I am never serious.
Yo, Prof. Now, Monsieur Mampeni, I go do Pensobia. And when we are on my Galam say, dear Matia, sir. Hello.
It is a protected.
Okay, now then, Tina Moka say. Sompa. Oh. May ye free more, Prof. Or drive your home. Oh, Katina Nayan.
Oh, my God, I'm saying.
University of Ghana. Oh, UDS. Yo,
Yaboma, who ensure na my major victims of Galamsey, one of our biggest rivers in Ghana. Ofin, Kamra Fin, Pra.
Prior Bakwana, so you're the panel members and another macho.
Any issue and cobra Nina, I'm only a major. Now, only say, Uberso who say, Uberso who did. And face in the last place. Who do fancy there? We see the true color. A coin who you know what the Galam say, Nessa.
Otra
mopa wanim kakra
bedroom mopa hokra no
e sha se ho
but ofin no kala no de wonya a free bridge no fa free ubonkum su kwanyina say asaya kofa sa kokoto anko brani no kotopu ni o Galam say no
now could be land empire river tapes
yintini nyanti nya ne sa o aban ba be yede
yawe yaw asem no nyina ya baako ye chimi ya Jimmy o
bibini pa
ya me say ya Jimmy o
tese sika na ye benya free galamsey
me say wo de opa ehwa kwan ma yenka say ya ma obi to me so ometo no nsi dan na area hafo nyina efa so atoaso no ye ho be kire so obi a metua sika meto anye ho nsi dan na nsi wa ma nsi kwani mama ye nyina
ya ya bo me bi say
Jesus ye ni abada ye nitima
so kwekosi brodi
that's River Thames
ye ntimi nya bi nto Amuraga Junction na Amuraga Junction
all day
beautiful
go Europe go and take a look at
sort of transport
Belgium, Luxembourg, Omuncio no, and Vivio, Chomo Cap, Omo Parks, Ghana, I say Ghana, why in the park, UK, so I'm programmer. Go ahead, parks, no Ghana for a corner. I Ghana, you know, yeah, so could this a more park
for no more.
Chama say,
oh my, now I want to make say,
some parks and gardens for the two, that's why you two omoka. Yes, Ghana State Company,
State Department,
so for like one in 50, only be a grass.
Now I want to make say invest for
as I say,
no can invest for no.
Uji Baba,
research be on my image or my say assassinate that who say now. Now one fagalam see now say now, and for so obinyano. A soon check galamsey na be 1,000 times.
Research you want any.
Meba.
I will be able to cry any.
Oh, now
where research? As I tell you, no. My research, I will say, I research. So, now, no.
There be an value cost.
Yahweh, as I said, I honor man said, Benjamin Faso.
No, where research? Oh, Debbie.
I can't have a say. As I said, I honor man said.
And penny for money, man, now money. And one more sense as a woman, no money. Oh, there may person make a by nature.
Almost research, which I say.
Oh, Monsieur Moon say, and Fasua will be as I said. As I tell me, I do this is sound. As I tell you, I Greek, you try. Oh, maybe. As I tell you, Greek. Oh, no, yeah, Greek science. Now, when you university, I'm researcher. Oh, as I become a researcher. I know. No, person can university for no. You're researcher. No. Oh. Wait, Agric, SHS in the crowd when you say Agric. No, we are not being fair with. Yeah, we are not being fair. We are not being fair. But see, because Agric secondary school, Agric science. The research now. You try say. Asasi wo ho. Me make an episode kan. Ya wo peja buji. That's a trust. I'm giving you a specific purpose of land. Say I'm going for no. Oh, you're me. I got to be my couple. This is the time. So, research no politicians. Research. Sasa da hona. One say no. E be man faso. Where yourself? As I tell my pon, my pon one day. It's where researcher. Benifona. As I tell me see my pon, kasa bi oti. We are not trying to implement. We are perusing it. We are making the regulatory remarks about it. Mujiba Kunya ni peja mo I am majority no trust. Mujib trust me. Mujiba research you say sasa da hona one say no. Ebe man faso. No one name sasa no. And the other one say ebe man faso. This is a known fact. Even a child knows. Where your research? Say university for asante me kasa me show one more menya and he menya self Mujiba Kwaba
Omanhene Yaw
now pom to say
the nyamiase
e do ba dia say
alapede sorry
Mama Penny John Mama say asase e for filling the boshe
yeah
na Ghana for o show mo bosse o jidie ni awon to so say obefo filling ni nyina accountability series edit 32 million hidden debt ma akoye kasa se defense ministry minister na pe kasa dodo afei 20% national health insurance fund
ozi minister ben pe kasa
omo se o mane boama minority omo so pe kasa dodo on kana no tuna defense yen kasasa okay and they discuss pa 20% national health insurance fund that has been allocated to the medical trust fund. Minority say omo nhwe ya omo be good national health insurance. These are the issues. Mami ti ono be. Any galamsey say ma you tag for say oman penny should end galamsey now.
Okay.
And yes on be strike. Okay.
Omanhene ana pay the ye betcha. Yeah. Ana pay. Most especially I'm say last 2 weeks or so me no be din komo. I'm say one of our branch chairman. Me catch her say
Sompa FM.
Na ye best say we do any munyam betechi. Afei na aware no aben.
Oh, okay.
Na kupon ya aduma 3rd August. Na wochu etwemu a bi echi. Eye 3rd August. Yan ko aye bra a branch chairman for Master Red branch. Ewo Otafu constituency. Your friend Ibrahim Choki. The best champion for somebody now especially the NDC sympathizers and grassroots are more Otafu. It's a need the best say we are the people as I branch or yeah Kasa. Omanhene Galamsey nsensem ansana beba a promise Anna His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at the toe. Na ansana obe promise obe na from here no the abo Galamsey. I'm saying you may be free na koso in respect of Galamsey or my way. Na abaiba na abaya ba sa. There was a time I knew if he said Galamsey aji and some of my may any youth even the coalition of doctors and midwives are about I bet the replication out of it, which is the medical replication out of it. Na okay samre na omokobu mu anka omoye oyechra no mpanyimfo bi ka omutwesai na nhwehwemu beda di se saa Galamsey no ede oyene kese na brave o my way o ba ni so doctor fui e ba bontin be ka say yarewa bi a na yenye used to e o my way mu yenim no e wo even in Africa yentehu achase e ba Ghana ebi ni se obewo akwala obu nse na na hwene eniho obewo akwala na na no akodifa obewo akwala obu nse yese akwala wadi 3 months yese ne kidney asei ade a enye popular ewo omanwe mu ana na achase de ebo boba. In fact, these recent times say anwa brase kaka, you can bear me witness. Maybe a mu some 1 year ago na it was in the rampant na do so do na ebe catch say as a result of nduru a omudugu yensu mu a omudu ye omu Galamsey and amasa de no na ebe basa. In fact yeni na yawreho o mawe mu essence apart from say
Sompa FM
su no no sansu kro na edidua no bae no yedi guso edua no bae na yedi guso na sa ni ntino se ekutu no bae no ana ekutwa no bae no wo eye afum na de badwa so ha no bae no enim NDC ni man PP obi abitima fa ya nti na hi asem se yeni na yede yene ebekum se de be ya Galamsey no ebe brase. Now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ejina asasem we so e ka say oba abemu a obe make sure say the right thing is being done. Some of the steps are what take immediately and they say yeah revoke
small scale mining hwɛ kwan a amanfo bi fa so acquire lances na Omanhene obedi madanse say any legitimate even though they are holding the Sompa. The entire any legitimate and say minimasimesi amasimesi na do so adwuma nim amade wonni techniques and I wonni adwuma nim nim de akura timi acquire lances no in the name of say na ban na wo abemu so ebinom so fa kwan bi so eboa aban bi atwa mu enti wono so de ohia free aban mu no eye lances no kwan se de be ya obetima akodi dwirim ewo mawe mu enti ye hwehwe mu no na amanfo kwan bi a omo fa so a mo de je san krata no na enye legitimate enti ne side so no our first step and say you better revoke those lances no because you revoke lances na we need to make krata bi a o de be ko asase no so a also de kwere dey o de kwere adwuma and we first aspect of it na do danko akofo ando olusu election and MPP lusu election you declare abano on the 9th of December and yes sir on the 9th of December there was the last day of office the 6th of January on the 1st of January Nanado issue small scale mining licenses on the 3rd of January
he came to say there was renewal.
I said he issued a license.
New ones.
Yes. He issued a small scale mining license. You can do a fast check.
Okay.
On the 6th, his last day of office. On the 6th, his last day of office, will issue small scale mining license. Abra ana small scale issue, ana galamse issue, a wobe biase e di enya e wokrumwe. You get the point? And you know, the yahoo say, amanfo bi omano kanko no ena omakoma so ne sign nti no na e wo say you taking measures problem no e free so nti sade a chen na what say almost 924 and 926 licenses are ye revoke or is in the verge of revocation na e ye kwan a ye be fa so astopo either
Sompa FM
licenses are ye fee say and I susu say illegitimate kwan omo fa so omo acquire licenses no and omo ye galamsey na nkasa you know obehwa enrechi wa wote say ya party ma enye obi bia say ye national vice chairman and ye national organizer you kwa from so mbe nsefo bia no efa ye galamsey. This is to tell you say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama we committed in ending galamsey. And fa ho se oye ni twotwomuntu and fa ho se obeno se nsem bi ba na ho bon wom na efa galamsey ho a ana efa bi ho a bokwa koyiwa no. This is to tell you say ebo na wahye no o media grow ebo bia ana apam bia wona timamufu akobia no ye be make sure say kwan ya ye be fa so a ye be deliver bia no we will do it. Nti saade a chen na what say Sompa nsembia no ana sensemfu bia no e wo
abanga
any abanga na say enye say bia we are leaving any stone unturned bibi biara e be kwa e be fa so a ana kwan e be fa so e be make sure say the right thing is being done e wo ma we no bia no ye be enye say ya no ye de ano kan na de be chen ya pra to table say we are not doing that obi biara o matter bia ye fi say obetima boa ama galamsey na ba bia we are ready to do it and we've seen it say yeah the side
it a call now mo making no has it come too early or too quick or what?
Omanhene UTAG will not determine when we are going to end galamsey omuntimi my timeline and our ultimatum say ene and our chinaye ene galamsey. They've seen it. All we have to ensure in this country
in opposition when they call for state of emergency, you added your voice as a party calling galamsey should end now.
State of emergency ani e kan say they are the sreko monansis omunyi omonwoma every site.
We are not in a state of emergency.
Omanhene be hemfa na who say the increase of those yarewana na e koso wo man we mu a de bia de bechi bia na eda friends say graphic show and a news portal so say see no one who said this time I could be
you see
what there be enjoy brass you've been seeing that you are a living testimony the air can say in as much as say na ye so and na ye dey adwene ma almost say any galamsey with an immediate effect does not mean he said the kind no omo the adwuma and
now Itac says the galamsey is getting worse. I say cry and almost your mampeni and the galamsey now. For Itac to come out and say end galamsey now, then it means say 2024 no, and 2025 no, probably they have seen worst case scenario.
Sompa FM.
You tag any propaganda no way, and now you tag the omoka no any busumuka. Galamsey are ene.
You think they are doing propaganda for who?
No. That is what I'm saying. Said the omoye no. A mischief and omoye.
How?
Because o compare Galamsey and Ekoso as at 2024.
And in that.
You cannot tell me said Galamsey is in rampant and Galamsey Ekoso.
Mami you so na me me bra check. Good morning. Now to say. Mami tie anope.
Mami fa konya is na me na wase. Say o mama konya say ane anope me bra na me ne ye ne Ghana fo mbedi nkomo. Me ni anso so me malachi. I appreciate the kind of struggle that he's struggling. I appreciate it. Or abamunti the okane no na ene okabia enyeyi. In any case, Omanhene, me dey say one ka say aban President Akufo-Addo licenses edema illegal miners. Why are we compounding the two? We are talking about galamsey. We are not talking about miners, legal miners. Ghana force said there are illegal mining in this country. Aban should stop it. Finito. To revocation of license now, your friend is saying lands and mineral resource Minister Ekano. It's not an issue of galamsey. It's not an issue of galamsey. Also, there are irregularities in their documents and now that. So, omunye dem, regularize and yanesa, omunye ni ye said the ya omo matwaso. And it's over 900 and so regularize and I say omunye documentation here. So that does not stop galamsey. No, and stop galamsey. Omunye galamsey no. I am cover licenses to mine, and also more licenses to mine now. Validated. Na see Ghana buying and na see Ghana, and then Ghana focus adults. That's what we are saying. So we should not compound the two. Man can minimum. I say, man money nya the crop. Say some detail. And then you talk for your propaganda. Say na you catch Ghana for. Say you talk for any omuni adwene. This will be kosho omochi. No achiro omo de omunye ansa na omaye. Na dey na Professor Jampo ye. Dey no ye. Omaye wu na kuma Erastus. Consistently go to his so up to date. Any a two stage where Otumika say it is getting worse. Ghana, there is no single journalist who fighting galamsey as in the era society.
That's positive. That's true.
So if we are all to take his words by, if we are all to take him by his words, then galamsey is rampant.
FM.
The president should declare state of emergency. Ghana buying memaka Euro Akufo-Addo address mekan and then Sumesaka. Ghana 2 million as a president, sir. If Ghana if the president, if he say galamsey now a national emergency, says Anwaka, or say a national emergency, on declare all forest areas in a state of security zone. He should declare, and then so a Bema, next who fee say galamsey a duo mining any can say a coso. Nasa omun territory, not omun crop for any galamsey. On declare order for the zone, security zone.
Now they want to mean.
No, he should go ahead and do it. He should just go ahead and do it. Oyen and then not, Oyen and down. Ochina wu no ebesa. When you declare state of emergency security zone, when they call Omanhene Yaw security zone as for major ura. So the president should go ahead and declare those areas as security zone and see whether somebody can go there. Yenim say a state of emergency. Yenim say a national emergency. We all know. All Ghanaians know. Enti na Ghana for a man to me in 2024. Yes, so in January 2025. So he should go ahead and do whatever he thinks is right. Say they be a galamsey best stop. But say he really theory. And they are accusing Crawford. Almost sorry, Jina. So a year man and this bar Bemundi and they are accusing almost your populism. Or also your friends say, "Hey, mama." Many propaganda, but the Americans say, "Make Tayabachi Ghana by also in a quantity of official first war. Next, Galamsey no untouched the party for NYB, the sponsors, the finances NYB. We should declare all those areas as a friends of security zone. What the close security zone? Nobody will go there. Last week, our friends say, Mr. Our news file. Coffee Bento. Also, Imani investigation on my year. Actually, say a lot of gold now, gold bond for it or no. I'm just free Galamsey so.
Yeah, but I've said it here.
Okay, thank you. So, when they had that, Ghana buying a gold every Galamsey so. Ghana buying a gold every Galamsey so. And the Galamsey by the jai. Galamsey by the jai. Until be a me catch a man for say. Oma ye beda benyane no. Ye yere ne ma ye kan sem kire mo munti. O mo ka chem sem e atrofo ana ye adadafo. Omo no mo ye Galamsey protest. Eno mo e. Sebi unuanum ana ye nuanum ensentrofo na omo di nsuo.
Sompa
FM television so omo ne omo radio station. Eno mo e where are they? What are they? Two use for say a west. Your friends you talk for say a west. Almost will be as a west. Young crow for inquire derby. Omuyeni. Meanwhile, gold now Ghana buying air top. Ghana buying over $250 million. And there must be so on to gold, Papa non fine. Or the two friends that Galamsey is for. And you cry illegal. Illegal. So I know some Neka. Obianka be for Rubia. And so we all main partner and utimbi or no case sabi. T verse you talk for Omer.
Why is a dishonest person?
Because at the same time, no, the same you talk led by Professor Jampo, them friends didn't know man.
He says the situation as of 2024 cannot be compared to now. You talk for no, Baby.
They said it, and I mean I'm kind. So I'm based on what you just said. I'm based on what Erasmus is saying almost every day.
Erasmus.
I'm based on what he's saying. And now, do we have any other person now, or what your friends to control over the fighting of Galamsey? And then a reporter SNO.
Debbie.
Do we have some?
The whole nation. He's numero one.
He's numero one. So we are based on all your argument here from the last 20 years about your friends and it's him.
It's from Erastus' report.
Yes, it's so it's someone can that's why they casa. And to be unless Obi provide any or any no credit. So a point should declare all forest zone as a security zone. Maybe to be called, or not to be called, Galamsey soon to be called. Abba should proceed and do that. He has the power. I cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. It is that this minor more president, and this part no more by me. Led by President John Mahama. No better stop Galamsey. Now me I mean Galamsey. Me I mean 2 minutes. A Congress members will stop Galamsey. We know Ghanaians know that we are in a state of dilemma. The situation is getting worse. So he should not come out and tell us that Galamsey is a national emergency. We know he knew it before he became president. That is why somewhere in September 2024, no up calling on them former president on declared state of emergency. So the president should go ahead and declare state of emergency. Now that he know that it's a national emergency, he so now say national emergency.
Okay,
so he should declare.
Mame Brown China 20% National Health Insurance Fund allocated to Mahama Care. Minority say Omanhene Yaw obugu National Health Insurance because 10.7 billion was earmarked for the National Health Insurance Fund. Mahama Care afe no malonche. The Ghana Medical Trust Fund. And you know why should we take 20% of National Health Insurance Sika edeko? Medical. They are raising costs.
I mean, reportage said National Health Insurance are clear or more race, yeah. And then who say there is something fishy coming on.
Obi a clear arrest. No, why should there be fishy thing?
Because until I know catch they say 20% of more fund they come on market.
Oh, could it be sheer coincidence?
Actually, one person would say they have enough funding to make my UBA check. Before them, and you are clear areas in your idea, and you bet you may be near their chair. Into whom you know their chair, not 40 foot soldiers, and say their mom no so could. Mahama Care or Omanhene, as a chair say. You also care.
Ghana Medical Trust Fund.
And Bayede,
aka Mahama Care.
Bayede.
About head non-communicable disease, diabetes, certain Ade Akye Abia.
Is National Health Insurance also taking care of those things?
No, there will be one man National Health Insurance taking care. Tia no na. Omanhene your mama so.
Emudi.
Oh, there are certain diabetes, chronic diseases.
Oh my, that is to call your friend say, hey, when you go to hospital with your National Health Insurance, they take care of it. Specific yare ebini specific yare na yade Mahama Care kwakwero ebini die hin before na say want to say friends National Health Insurance decided so they will take care of your friends dialysis
yeah akoba
so yare be if say National Health Insurance take care of dialysis dem na dem na aka HIV say free and I yes sir and I free so dem na aka Ade din o money number 1 pa say oba akọ awo so no problem about National Health Insurance take care of it.
Cardiovascular diseases, heart diseases, send take care.
I should be looking at say we have a friend say a hospital that will take care of diseases rather.
Okay.
A hospital that will take care of those diseases.
Cancers.
We should have a special.
There's a medical trust fund for that.
Oh.
That is the Mahama Care.
Oh, wait, but cancer, the same National Health Insurance is taking care of those things.
Are you sure National
Cancer,
Insurance
yes.
is taking care of cancer?
Oh man, you are
children with cancer. National Insurance.
So it means taking care of.
But every year, be our more strategy or more than money be become.
And again, why do we even think of taking National Health Insurance Fund to Mahama Care? Why do you think that?
Okay.
Why?
Now you have a point there.
Why do we think that? When they were institute that fund,
Sompa FM.
Now, Sabiu. Now, where were they thinking that they will get funding for that fund?
Okay.
Where?
Okay. The source of funding.
The source of funding. Where were they thinking that they will get source of funding for that fund? Intending the idea is an airborne National Health Insurance funding. It's two things. Either we want to, you say a party for DD and I say good National Health Insurance. Because there's no point. There's absolutely no point in going there. Because say National Health Insurance almost and the National Health Insurance almost just on the Kanyane. Almost any time be a vessel by Biano, one of the institutions that Yakasa Omodeka National Health Insurance.
Back for left money.
Apart from Kufo,
300 million.
Apart from
Kufo left.
Yeah, because on the deba at that material at that time, no. Until now, the proper supervision, and now Ghana sponsor now the for their mom.
Okay.
But after Kufo, Obi Okoye Bia, Ojaka, Obi Okoye Bia, Ojaka, and institution, your friend said, any year, antimina yearly turnover, a soil, you know, and the money in 20%. Edukoma, your friend said, another fund in beer, another friend fund beer.
A fair naba.
And they should have looked at an alternative way of doing it.
Oh, okay.
Rather than taking 20% of that, not 20% of mine.
10.7 billion. So 20% of
every year.
Yeah, that is what was voted for this in the budget, 10.7 billion. An adjustment of about 4 billion. As of 2024, it was 6.8.
So
until now it's 10.7.
So we are taking 10% of that amount.
20%.
20%. Like how?
But the fund is also to bring healthcare.
It's to bring healthcare. National health insurance, no. And then the number one, a friend said, and the cover almost yes, almost can and so on. So why do we take 20% out of this car? Sikana sooner than that. Sikana sooner that because there are evidence of that health insurance for Sika and so on. The evidence is there. Anything if you be an so moboka. Anything ABA claims are setting 6 months, 3 months, 4 months, and some substance almost a year. No. And you be an claim allowances. A friend said, "Arias a warhonum." Then now Sika only be yet me says can be the move.
Until a bro 6 months that. It drew 6 and not just a carbon.
A carbon.
That is a 3 months, no, in TI. Most of the time, no, it cost 6 months, just at the car. The government has done well. He's given 602. He's cleared all the 6 months arrears.
So let's sustain.
Which means there is a 3 months second quarter.
So let's sustain that.
Can give the money. But the trust fund is also going to bring healthcare.
We should find a way of, you see, Omanhene.
There should be a source of funding.
Yes, there should be a source of fund.
Not national health insurance.
Not insurance, because before the health insurance, he created a source of fund for it. And I just want to
okay, Mujib. Yes.
Also, the youth employment he created a source of fund for it.
Talk tax.
Yes, so create it.
Okay, create it. See, I'm also because for the tax of rubber.
When you create it and it's justifiable, Ghana's were.
Omanhene. Nsema okay. Ana nke twasumu anka okomuntili ensore sa nyabotre. They are okay. That's how you are. I take strong exception. No problem.
Okay, sorry about
I withdraw that. But what I'm saying is that why are you trying to force the Owokano into the listeners here? It doesn't add up.
But it's for the listeners to decide, not you.
So let them take a decision as to whether what you're saying is making a good sense in their ears or not. You don't need to shout for them to believe what you're saying. What we are saying is that a certain amount of money has been allocated to Mahama Care. You are trying to let him understand, say, Mahama Care takes exception of certain diseases. Any, your friend is saying, health insurance. Say, Ebi Wumkra, and take fully responsibility of that area. You are arguing. Offer cancer, the only thing health insurance does on cancer is that it takes responsibility of the consultation and then certain basic things. But a long-term treatment
and chemotherapy.
You need to say chemotherapy and radio. It doesn't cover it. Mahama Care is going to take care of that.
But why not create an avenue for source of funding? Because as it increases, are we not going to see a 40% amount being devoted to Mahama Care when about all the amount 60%?
Even if we did not create, we don't have an intention of creating any source of fund for Mahama Care. Is Mahama Care not a health issue?
It's a health issue, but 10.7 billion. Mujibusu funding eco health insurance. No, Ghanaians crashing young people become because Ghanaians.
Omanhene claim said that for the past 6 months. Haven't we cleared it?
It has been cleared.
Omanhene, let's be honest with ourselves.
Yeah.
Men say idea no unibi and I am one fabia man no be the biaba. Osim prempren yenye say ya so nimfa so. O yes now we na atwem
Sompa FM.
You're creating Mahamake to take care of diseases
non-communicable
and non-communicable diseases. I bit my boy timamufu omo pass through kidney problems. Obi a what chronic kidney disease or called dialysis. Dialysis no the health insurance subsidizes for a certain period of time. In fact, subsidize kakra. You can subsidy and say you take kakra free so. Na de dia come now say tua. And no scra no it take it. Bahama care say a long term. Your friend is saying cover for that dialysis. Obeshan ho say kopem say Yankopon beto inside dey afro. So you don't compare the two. So who under Mahama care dialysis no there is nothing like subsidy. Yeah, show ekopem say Yankopon beto inside afro. Diabetes are the same thing. Yeah, more basic consultation. And this or more first aid, no wako that one. But this time, yeah, more intensive care throughout your lifetime under Mahama care. Are you getting it? Hypertension, the same thing. Yarwa, free. Cardiovascular diseases are unbearable. So Mahama care can't be compared to what we are having now as health insurance. In fact, health insurance has helped a lot. We need an advancement. I was saying,
now we need to ensure 20% now. Every massacre was say health insurance, not limited. Health insurance
when we get there, we'll cross it. For now, there's nothing like that. For now,
so you 29 hard.
Why would it affect us? But what we are saying is that, in as much as you do Mahama care, we will make sure the right thing is being done to cover that trust fund. The majority are saying, until say Kodru Pempenswa, a year in Sama Razaki came, a Bamua, we'll cross it. For now, we are taking care of non-communicable diseases. We are taking care of Yarinwa, Ayakukrame, Dayaswa, Yajiawa, any. Health insurance no intimate covers Yarwa. You get the point? Until say, can who try say, Ube Penti, I don't know, as if say, and from business. I was so about His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Baso, as I said, you may be now what they are banning. And one that everyone should applaud. Jumedi papa, I ever boa me new meru. Madam Coupon Fassa, my yari, empire nina. But yari me or say so mua, Namenqua. Na say opportunity to a bar not what they be sound where. Why won't you applaud it? Maminka someone
Sompa FM.
Mem mon paye so ubehu obia or chronic disease or called dialysis every week and every 2 weeks. My Omanhene me count nine. Oko Pole now
700 cities a day.
Hey,
700 Ghana.
Every week Oko 700. Now
come yes.
Adia wa brabo mu say. Sika umu ni say yeska. Say the same kon na si de bia ye ana na otu bia ya na be da problem. Or financial muscles how be 700 every week. And 1,000 every week. But once I catch and say every week, be you know, na done problem. E woni pa so. Baby is can every baby abuse na. I'm okay. Na obi da busuam na say every week going to 700. Omanhene said the to me kutano anade no ho den wa busua nim. E fa to no so say baby and every week go be 700 na. How long can he take you?
Mamini Jamra na Brown.
One of the fantastic idea was saying in I applauded.
Okay. So, Mamini Jamra, Mamini Jamra is here. And I'm in for announcement if Mchum. Kumasimai way free a year in Kosovo, Fekuo, Kumasi Traditional Council. Omaji Penny, every otumfo say to ababi o asantema ewura ho na womo asema womo de to aseman ni asantema ni Ghana ni nyina an say nana kwaku dine nyame ya adomo a memreda July 26th kopim adwada July 28th womo eye dotiye na enjese ne say nana kokoso hine ye de ne betum pem ewo kokoso palace ewo nyankire ne ase na mienu ne be hyase Sunday 27 July na omoton safre nipadom nyina so ompechima be na na ni achi ewo 27th no na mom ena toso no the last of the 3 days no nananom atrankunya ena ebebo dompem any politicians ne entitre pa ewo Ghana mem yenhye no so se sans seye every nkoso division nananom ne se yemfantom anim se a free 26th Saturday to 28th kokoso hine nana kwaku dia apiani otoso miensa ne dot ye eti e hyase a free Saturday 26th copy Monday 28th nananom ne osie no ye de atomanim Tabita Clinic wo ahoncho daban Cindy's Junction diabetes prostate ne infection se no na adokro wo no hawa ka ahoto mrika ko na yemfa fidie abibidro kan afutuo ene scan ahodo ensa yade frey 020 234 7647 020-234-7647 Kumasi Grind Sunyani Takwansu bi huyen 21st clinic yen ena eba se oto ase atwetwon sciatica yaka ho nyina asem no brane nhwew ye de bibidro ye de massage machines ahodo ne hospital clinic 21st century yaye 15 branches wa ha oto ase atwetwe ne ahokyera wo fam nyina no wo ba ye behwew esai hospital ya de bia wo ba malaria o fever o jaundice o stroke o ye behwew free 0540 311 311 and 0249 311 311 3 Herbal Center the 3 cool capsules aba cocoa hawacha bomodna so ubenya cocoa droibi a friend the 3 cool capsules Colinak Danny Missini Apidan kubenya bi upendo so po 0546 107 107 Cordis Healthcare Limited yen and ye diabetes machine ye de checking hu ye sugar level baby adru no anopa de anwumre wo so timi checking na utimi nya ahoden hu se de obedi DS afa wonnam wadi die mu ene wasetena mu wei enya de hu kura obenya bi wadi ya pharmacy osons chemist and a Lancer chemist bia code free and code free plus glucometer if you dey check your sugar level no to be ofie na when your diabetes ni bia etimi aboa mo hu se ne obesi abo bra emfie aduonu na to ho den 0206 972963 na bibia ekoso twitwire wo se abra o yusu Yas Total Care toothpaste Yas whitening toothpaste and Yas herbal toothpaste. Uko jasu abusa. Ye wo toothbrushes ahodo dude, Duchess, Monarch, Prince, Princess. Any kiddie brushes ahodo nyina. Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush. Ash foam. Ai ye se oba ash foam asua ye na uko ye showrooms this year. Yasisem kra. Ash foam e wo bed linings ahodo ye wo mattress, toppers, mattress, protectors, duvet, curtains, towels, nomni adi nyinara. Chese ura hod my asisem kra. Frey 055 65 79 214 65 79 214 na bibi ankoso ye wa ahonjo Kumasi Mall, Santase, Tafo, SG Mall, and a Melody showroom se wo kasi. Can you so ash foam, feel it, know it. Express Group, me ma wo so dia kwama no ne amo akosua de me ma wo so no me de kwama akoye adwuma scholarship no abetom afi admission aba visa no so maboa ticket no so ye twa e de amount call holidays ya boa ma wo no abusia Airbnb amu pese mo koda bibia chese o de express group ana wo de akwantuo Kumasi Asafo Labor Roundabout Kaneshi First Light so pese o international exam just SAT GRE GMAT TOEFL iLetter Fabedayen 0249 000 448 0249 000 448 afeitimi OCP Ghana and the day a fertilizer MPK 15 ammo mudia to so dear nom near mudia ammonia brunum near day and the day 10 so about piece of my womo for Seba fertilizer OCP Africa for 0555 909 909 437 Kanjin and Magic drinking water. Kanjin and Magic drinking water. Where you sucrogin, hydrogen rich in mineral like calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. Ni nyinara siom no ahoye den ensure yi the minerals and the vitamins you need antioxidant huru ni padua mu nte yabo amase friend no ensure zoom lion bomodena heart liver kidney ebebo abo ho ban amane ma gina ye Abrema UGC Tafunu Road Obenya yen Abawa Route Junction ho for 0241 449191 0241 449191 drink good water. My birthday is here, and then David Ajay and then from Daniel of Sompa FM front desk. Mrs. Rejoice Ajay, CEO of Reginus Stitches, Mansua Dubia, from your friend Pokia of Sompa FM, Jason Che Enin, from your parents, Mr. and Mrs. Enin, Mr. Thomas Ohiniba Boakye, former MPP UK branch youth secretary, and then Sledge Bona Nana Kwame Amo from Akosia Sumwa Japan, Sledge Bona Sompa TV, Akosia Japan Somot. Nana Kuya Sapon Yebua of Alice Memorial Daycare. Today is your birthday from your mom, Madam Abigail of SG Ghana, KJTR branch. Afe Setosei Kufuor Phoebe of Immaculate Heart of Mary School from your mom Ejewa. Benjamin Ochre, aka Ogazi of Canada, Montreal. Ogazi, today is your birthday from Kakape and Berimadro Nyinahini for Jennifer Asanto Nyinahini Catholic SHS from Oboy to you. Jimmy Boakye Ansa, MPP Communication Team member. Okay, Jimmy, happy birthday to you from the Sompa Morning Show crew. It's been a while. I hope you're good. Okay, special 50th birthday to Kwabena Usuenchi of Canada. Today is your birthday from Ekwia Jima Opambo. You're 50. Welcome to the table of men. Okay, let's wrap up. Mamimra Unche for 3 minutes, and I give Mujib also 3 minutes. Mami too.
Sompa FM.
I don't know, Jabi.
Earlier, I met a local friend say, my name is 17 years dear. Say, Dialysis, have a dialysis and cover BB, and yen a cover partial.
That's what he said. No, say a subsidize it. Omanhene,
graphic online, unless we
go ahead.
Graphic
you
online.
can go ahead. We can.
2024, all kidney patients under the National Health Insurance Scheme will be offered free kidney dialysis treatment under the health insurance scheme.
It took up December 1st.
Has it been taken up? Hasn't been taken effect?
It took up, unless you are telling me that from December 1st, up to date, there is evidence that just say
so that is what we are saying. Our fact here is telling you that it's subsidized, and I can give you
but the previous government said it covers all.
It covers all.
The new government is subsidizing it. Is that what you're saying?
That is it. What we have here says that it's subsidized.
Date.
No, baby. I
can give you the date.
Will you get it right? 1st December 2024.
Yes.
All kidney patients,
yes,
dialysis are covered.
Covered free.
Initially, September, no, a partial.
Partial.
Now it's all.
Now a partial, and I
subsidized.
18
and then 70, 60 above.
Yes.
Now it's all.
Oh.
Very 1st December. Yeah, Juma Kakra. And I buying for buy and what's the Sanwana Mujib. from what you're saying, doesn't mean say
I'm coming.
Let
me read something here. It said the NHIS provides limited subsidies for dialysis.
Which year?
Date.
Because it has been there for some time.
This is January. This is February 14th, 2025.
Source.
2025. I will get you the source. Let me read it out first.
Source.
Let me read it out first.
Bring the source before you read it out.
Let me read it out
Bring
first.
the source.
No, he's questioning for source. So give us the
Bring
source.
the source out before you read it.
Because what am I source there?
Bring the source.
Anybody can have a document. You quoted graphic online.
He quoted graphic online.
Yes.
And I'm quoting Ghana Web.
Okay.
So you can check from Ghana Web.
You
can check from Ghana Web.
So I'm
you can check from Ghana Web
you can
right
check.
away.
Go ahead.
Right away. He says that the NHIS provide limited subsidies for few sessions, but the full cost of long-term dialysis is not covered, leaving patients to bear significant out-of-pocket expenses. Okay. And then what they continue by saying is that Mahama Care subsidizes the cost of dialysis treatment, addressing the financial burden for patients with chronic failure. So you can do your checks over there.
Give it to me because this is the quotation of the minister. This is the quotation
you do your work.
No, I said give it to me.
No, I will give my phone to you.
You have to.
When you quoted your Ghana Web or whatever. No. I don't have time to do this.
This is mine.
You have been given 3 minutes. When it is my turn,
let me have.
You don't have a 10.
I have to do my checks.
Yes.
And my checks is with Confanoche.
Yes.
And the checks conclude say.
Yes.
As at 1st December, the dialysis treatment with NHIA card was treated free. It took off. So and then as a salmon, but
did they give you what happens today? What is
no, but that means the NDC government has changed it.
No, we haven't changed it.
So then
what we are saying is that it is a subsidy.
I asked NOC free of charge, full. It was fully covered.
Okay.
The person speaking might not be able to give his name, but he was in charge.
No problem.
And yeah, just anybody I called.
I know. But I know you.
And the person has confirmed, say, from the 1st of December, Obi Okuta National Health Insurance Authority card, Biano, it was fully catered for. Compare so no free ho.
So online, that case has been settled. The Mibisani say, what is the source of your friend saying? Source of funding for Mahama Care? If we don't know the source of funding, we look at the sustainability of that.
Of that one. Mujib.
Yes, sir.
Come inside.
Omanhene, a post dated. A post dated by our own boss 8 months ago, which is somewhere on his ex, Sami Jenfi, on the issue of this kidney and then Mahama Care.
It has been settled.
No, I'm coming. I'm coming.
December.
That is December. No, it's not December. That is
8 months.
September, right? December.
December.
December. No, you don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do. I will give you my phone so that you
question. The expert has settled the case. No, Mr. O. The expert that you call at Confanoche.
Listen.
Me know any political party or one. Starting from December 1st last year.
No, let him go to what Sami Jenfi said.
You can check from his post.
What the
next NDC government will establish that this post is as a December now.
Will establish
the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, which is the Mahama case, to support the cost of treatment for persons with chronic diseases such as kidney failure, dialysis, cancer, sickle cell, diabetes, hypertension, stroke, and what have you. It is on his page. Now, I'm coming. Now, why are we trying to put this post? We have given a reference that as at 1st December, now obi a okuta Ghana card health insurance
you're free.
You're free. Imagine the reputation of Honorable Sami Gyamfi. Imagine the promises that we put forth.
The argument of this. Listen, Sami Gyamfi was not in power. He said they were going to put out a proposal to support. In his post, he did not dispute the fact say
this one
he only said the Omobano they are going to support Mahama Care support. Timmy,
the language you use is to establish to support the cost of treatment. The cost of treatment.
No senior high school.
Yes.
Omanhene Yaw mama and kase because Aban senior high school you know unpromising.
That is because
he made a promise.
No.
Maybe.
We were very pragmatic. Oh, don't interrupt. What we were saying was that there are certain issues we are a war health insurance anymore. Sinto baby feeding those things. So SHS very well. So all those shortfalls now woman we will make sure we make it right. How can we come out and say free SHS now we are going to bring new and the for
beautiful.
So that is what I'm saying. Treatment now here can was the kidney we did not say there wasn't any treatment. In fact, when I quoted my source for you, I told you say
it was being subsidized. Very good.
That is what we are saying.
When this was said, Onim said there have been certain policies that government be a cast of the opposition to me crown Ade Akye so Bob and say. Now by now be chassis.
So that is what I'm asking my brother.
When the NPP said they were going to do free SHS, Omanhene Yaw mama has already had a policy of progressive. He started it.
Yes.
That doesn't negate the free SHS. And you know, and Commander we say, as at 1st December,
yes,
Confanoche dialysis treatment was free. Not by subsidy, was free.
Not by subsidy.
Yes.
Yapo
because I was informed there. Mame Emba Unkasare Chaso. Razak na wote ne counting mujib na didn't command pay. Emra so say Emba be take over. Emba, take over.
Sompa